welcome to Layla's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tuna patties, an inexpensive food which can feed 2 people for less than $2 without having to resort to a cup of instant noodles or dried pasta with canned sauce. This video is the first in a series in which I implement my mission statement for starting this channel to show viewers how to make delicious, healthy, easy to make dishes for a low price. With that in mind, let us start. The ingredients are as follows: a can of tuna, half of a cup of ground oatmeal. If you don't have it, you can use breadcrumbs or crackers. 2 green onions. If you don't have it, you can use half of a diced onion. A handful of parsley, 1 egg, 2 cloves of garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. First, I'm going to drain the extra liquid from the tuna. I'm using the spoon to break apart the chunks. Now I'm adding the oatmeal. It's the time to chop my onions. Chop this parsley fine. Okay, I'm done. If you don't have fresh parsley, you can use the dry one. Or if you don't have either of them, you can just skip it. Now I'm going to crush my garlic. If you don't have fresh garlic, you can use the powder one. Mix it. I'm going to add the egg. While you are mixing your ingredients, if you think your ingredients are dry, you can add 1 more egg. But to me, 1 is enough. I'm going to add salt and pepper. You can add it as much as you want. I don't want to have it very salty. If you prefer spicy, you can add chilies. Okay, now it's ready to be cooked. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. You can use any kind of cooking oil that you like. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna make my patty. It's very simple. It's up to you how big you wanna make them, but I think this size is perfect, but you can make them smaller or bigger. As you see, both sides of my patties are golden brown, so they are ready to be served. Our delicious tuna patties are ready. You can serve them by themselves, on top of rice, make wraps, or sandwiches. Bon appetit!